Okay, so I just want to explain how the work that you're doing in developing my writing unit plays into the culminating unit. So I'm in the culminating right now, and it's two parts. One is a writing part, and the other is a media part. And this culminating is instead of a final exam. So these two parts will be worth 30% of your final report card mark. So as you're going through the writing unit, you are compiling various pieces of writing based on those essay styles: persuasive, descriptive, narrative, and expository. So for your culminating, you're going to be looking at your writing style and talking about how you have developed over the course of the term. And some of the questions that you can base your essay on is what's your favorite piece of writing and why? What's your least favorite and why? How do you think your writing has improved? What steps have you taken to improve your writing? And how will you move forward to make yourself a better writer? So that's a 500-word essay, and this essay can be in any one of those four formats. That's up to you. So let's go back to the developing my writing portfolio or unit, and we're going to take a look at what exactly you're compiling for assessment and basing your last little essay on. So here, just want to go to the end here. So you'll have 5 pieces of writing in your writing portfolio, and all of these you're writing in the writing unit. So you have the basic writing organizer, which is your first assignment in the developing my writing unit. The second one is where you're going to pick an organizer from those 4 styles and write 1 paragraph. And then the second one is choose another writing organizer, like a different style, and write 3 paragraphs based on your organizer. So both these things, you're filling out an organizer first. And then you're going to choose a third organizer, one you haven't done before, and write 3 paragraphs based on that organizer. And then the fourth one is where you choose the one template you haven't used or the one style you haven't used yet and write 4 paragraphs that you've edited and revised. So that's about 400 words there. The rest of them gauge about 100 words per paragraph. So the 3 paragraphs would be about 300 words. You put all of this in a summative writing folder, which would be a Google Doc folder, and share that with the teacher. Each of these individual items all have their own Dropbox, and you would submit them there. So the first piece, if you go to the first sort of mini unit in the overall developing my writing unit, I'll just so here's the different styles. There's narrative, descriptive, persuasive, and expository. So you're going to write something from each of those templates, each of those styles. So the first thing you did is just a little general writing organizer. And this would be your first assignment. So you share the completed organizer with a peer if you can, and then submit it to your teacher for further feedback. And you can just write in point form whenever you're filling in any of these templates. So it's asking you to use this organizer and choose a topic, purpose, and audience for this writing. You can go here if you don't know what to write about. Find proof to support your thinking, explain why you think the way you think, and then submit this to the Dropbox. So that's the first piece for your summative portfolio. Here's examples of all the organizers here. And we'll just go down to the other. So the second piece of your organizer will be the paragraph. And it's just talking about how to write a proper paragraph. Okay, so here it is here. Writing a paragraph using an essay style template. So you're going to choose one of the organizers. Choose a topic. So choose one of the styles. Choose a topic, complete the organizer, and then write one paragraph. So they want about 200 words for this paragraph. And then submit that to the Dropbox, and that's part 2 of your writing portfolio. And then the next one, same here. All right, so for your third piece of writing for your writing portfolio, you're going to be writing a 3-paragraph essay. And this will be based on one of those templates of your choosing, one you haven't done before. So in this draft, you need an introductory paragraph, a body paragraph, and a concluding paragraph. And if you're not sure about the structure of this, you can click this little link right here, and it will take you to a description of how to write properly in paragraph form and how to go from one paragraph to the other. So this should be about 300 words, about 100 words per paragraph. So you're going to submit this to the Dropbox and put it in your portfolio. And the last submissions to your summative is right here. So you've got 2 organizers that you haven't used yet. And with this, you're going to write 2 short essays each. So one introductory paragraph, one body paragraph, and a concluding paragraph for each topic of your choosing. And then one of these drafts, you're going to add another paragraph, concluding paragraph. So you're going to add, so that will be 400 words. So one will be a 4-paragraph essay and one will be a 3-paragraph essay. And that will be your 4th piece, or your 5th piece of writing, but your 4th writing organizer. And I've put the writing organizers here, so you can go to the link. There's the basic one. Here's a persuasive essay outline, and you can make a copy of this, right? So you can go File, make a copy, and then add it to your own Google Drive. And then I have the description here. So if you can't remember exactly what it's about, so they're all right there. I think what I'll do is I'll move them so they're right under developing my writing, so you don't have to have access to the final unit in order to see all of these templates. All right, so when you're done and when you have this summative writing folder ready, you're going to have 5 pieces, one from each of these templates, and then one basic writing organizer, which was the first one. Okay, so I think I've talked enough about that. So if you have any questions still, please let me know.